thunders.
For his mercy endureth forever.
To him who by wisdom made the heavens.
For his mercy endureth forever.
To him who stretched out the earth above the waters.
For his mercy endureth forever.
To him who made great lights.
For his mercy endureth forever.
The sun to rule by day.
For his mercy endureth forever.
Moon and the stars to rule by night.
For his mercy endureth forever.
To him who smote Egypt in their firstborn.
For his mercy endureth forever.
And brought out Israel from among them.
For his mercy endureth forever.
With a strong hand and with an outstretched arm.
For his mercy endureth forever.
To him who divided the Red Seas into parts.
For his mercy endureth forever.
Made Israel to pass through the midst of it.
For his mercy endureth forever.
But overthrew Pharaoh and his hosts in the Red Sea.
For his mercy endureth forever.
To him who led his people through the wilderness.
For his mercy endureth
To
forever.
him who spoke great kings.
For his mercy endureth forever.
And slew famous kings.
For his mercy endureth forever.
Zion, king of the Amorites.
For his mercy endureth forever.
And Og, the king of Bashan.
For his mercy endureth